Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, as part of the today's session, I just want to show you one small scenario. If you remember for Android, in order to perform this scroll up and as well as a down operations, we captured the screen coordinates. Did you remember that? So, let me open that the scroll up program. So where in which we capture the screen coordinates, and then as we are moving vertically, we are not changing horizontally. We used this logic, right? So whichever this logic is there, I'm gonna reuse that logic right now. As said, there is no change of logics from Android and as well as an iOS in order to do this scroll activity. So, the only thing that you need to do is just copy the code that performs this scroll operation. So, this is the code. Copy it and put it here. That's it. So I haven't changed anything, guys. Whatever the Android code is there, capturing the screen height and a width, and then creating an instance to an action chain, and then a pointer input, and then an action builder, and after that, converting into a W3 actions and then performing that action. So when I run this program right now, on the UI Kit Catalog app, it should perform a scroll up operation. You will see that. That's it. So, which means here the code is one and the same for both the Android and as well as an iOS. You no need to write down the code for scroll for an Android separately and for an iOS separately. The same piece of a code for a scroll, swipe, long press, tap, all those actions, whatever we have created in an Android, can be leveraged for iOS as well. Okay, perfect. See you again in the next session. Thank you.